Welcome to the unboxing, assembly, and operation guide of K6U. Step 1. Assemble the handlebars. Rotate the stem so it faces forward. Use the configuration tool to unscrew the 4 screws. Adjust the handlebar position, then tighten and secure the screws in sequence. Step 2. Install the front headlight. Loosen the screws of the front headlight bracket. Take the front headlight parts out of the accessory box. Align with the left and right openings, then tighten it. Step 3. Install the front fender. Take out the front fender, then loosen the original fixing screws and gaskets. Adjust the angle properly. Tighten it with the supplied hex key tool. Step 4. Install the front baffle. Use the cable ties supplied with the vehicle. Fasten it at the corresponding position. Step 5. Install the front wheel. It is recommended to flip the whole bike upside down for installation. Thread the front wheel axle through. Please note that the front wheel axle is separately tied to the side of the front wheel. There is a gasket and a nut on each side, respectively. When installing, maintain equal gaps between the front wheel and both sides of the front fork. Tighten using a hook spanner. Step 6. The whole vehicle assembly is completed. No specific operation steps. Turn on the red power switch of the battery and check that the battery has power. The battery indicator light turns on. Press and hold the meter power button for more than 3 seconds until the meter lights up. Mode is used to adjust high and low levels of assist gear and pure electric gear. Twist the throttle to start under pure electric mode. Press and hold light to turn on the headlight. Thanks for watching.